Hello, Stevie here, and I'm going to do a craft room tour, and it is nowhere near done, but it is definitely feeling good after taking the table out, that big white round table that I had in here. My drying rack has to be cleaned off. You know, I've got my U in here all plugged up, but that was just, from having the table in here and having everything underneath there. I couldn't really tell what was going on. So here's behind my work table. Well, I kind of have two work tables now, which makes it great. I have this one. Ouch. And this is where I hang my iPad to go over this table, kind of my sorting table. And then this is my work table. Oh, and I redid this part too. It feels pretty good. So, I've got Ashley up here. She's chilling right now, which I wanted to show you. I sit down here. I have to change these drawers out because those are the work drawers and they are on rolly carts, and these over here are not, so I switched them, and now I have to trade the drawers, so I have all my work stuff underneath my desk here. I put my mat. I don't like this side, so, and it works as a cutting board on the other side also. And then I put the Lazy Susan over here, and I put these drawers, sorter drawers, that I have all kinds of stuff in. And then on top, because one of these got ruined, and I was able to save the drawers, so they're up here on the top. And it turns nicely right here, right over here, to my journal for my personal writing notes and stuff I put in there. And then my ideas journal here. And then I have my original painting that this is in my digital shop. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Now I want to get started making things to sell, and I've still got a lot of organizing to do, but I can do that as I'm making packets and bundles and all kinds of things. So thank you for watching. I hope you will share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget the bell button because of my internet problems, and I'll see you in the next one.